By the name of Allah, today I want to boot USB without any software. First, go to the start menu, CMD, run as administrator. Yes, right here, disk path. Then list disk. Then select disk 1, because 1 is every time is USB port or flash. Then clean. After that, right here, create partition primary. Then format fs equal to ntfs quick. If you not write quick, it will take more time. Waiting for a while. Done. After that, assign after that, active, then exit. Come to the Windows 7, Windows 10, any Windows you want to boot, copy, go to my computer and paste here in USB. Thank you for watching. For more videos, you can like my page, YouTube channel, Smart Future. Subscribe and go to here, Smart Future, my Facebook page. Thank you so much.